We just saw a master at work. Terrence Bud Crawford versus Canelo. My heart aches, bro, because what I'm about to say is insane. Terrence Bud Crawford is the greatest boxer of all time. Let's be honest here. Mayweather drained all his opponents. He's always the ace and he always does the demand. And the next part of this really break my heart, bro. Even my favorite boxer of all time, Manny Pacquiao, is still drained Margarito to achieve his achievement. And the thing is, Bud did not drain Canelo. He did not do anything. He did not do any demand. He fought Canelo at Canelo's best and defeated him, bro. This it breaking my heart to say this, but Crawford is better than Manny Pacquiao, Mayweather, and other boxer. He is the greatest boxer of all time, bro. This, oh my god, bro. This is why I don't want him to win, but also I want him to win because I want to see the history, and I did witness the history, but damn, bro. We need some Filipino boxer there to achieve better than Bud, but it's impossible. It's impossible to achieve better than this, because to be the greatest of to be the greatest boxer of all time, you have to dare to be great, and Bud did, bro. Bud did. He dared to be great. That's why he's the greatest of all time.